Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by positioning your bed and tools, safety first. Use a 2-4x magnifying glass for inspection and a 10x for precise seed or pest work. Once done, angle the glass to avoid concentrating sunlight on dry mulch. You want light for observation, not accidental ignition. Make sure to have water and gloves at hand so you can act fast. Start by scanning seedlings for holes, eggs, or fungus spots. This immediately shows what needs attention. Now you move into focused inspection and targeted action. You hold the magnifier 6-12 inches from leaves to reveal eggs, larvae, tiny aphids, and early fungal dots. This level of detail tells you whether to prune or treat. Once you spot a problem, use tweezers or a soft brush to remove pests and apply a mild treatment directed only at affected areas. Make sure to mark treated plants and photograph them. Repeated checks every 1 to 2 days. To finish, you reassess every treated plant after 48 to 72 hours with the magnifying glass to confirm improvement. Once done, trim damaged tissue and continue regular light inspections so problems don't spread. If clarity degrades, change distance or clean the lens to restore sharpness. Glare and fog are common issues. Make sure to isolate any plant that worsens and try a stronger, targeted control. That one key troubleshooting step prevents an outbreak in the rest of your garden.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.